How are you doing today? I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? What do you do for a living? I work as a teacher. Where are you from? I'm from New York. Have you ever traveled abroad? Yes, I've been to France. What's your favorite hobby? I enjoy playing the guitar. What did you do over the weekend? I went hiking with some friends. What's your favorite type of music? I love listening to classical music. Can you recommend a good restaurant in town? Sure, you should try the Italian place downtown. Do you like to cook? Yes, I love cooking, especially Italian dishes. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm, perfect for a day at the beach. Are you married? No, I'm still single. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a younger brother and an older sister. What's your favorite book? I really enjoyed reading To Kill a Mockingbird. Have you seen any good movies lately? Yes, I watched a great action movie last night. What's your favorite season? I love autumn, the colors are so beautiful. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm definitely a night owl. Have you ever been to a concert? Yes, I've been to a few concerts, they're so much fun. Do you like to exercise? Yes, I go to the gym regularly to stay fit. What's your dream vacation destination? I've always wanted to visit Japan. How do you usually get to work or school? I take the bus or ride my bike. What's your favorite type of food? I can't resist a good plate of sushi. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I'm going camping with some friends. Can you speak any other languages? I'm fluent in Spanish and French. Have you ever met any famous people? Yes, I met a famous actor once at a charity event. What do you do in your free time? I like to read, paint, and take long walks. Are you a cat person or a dog person? I prefer dogs, they're so loyal and friendly. What's your favorite childhood memory? I love going to the beach with my family. Have you ever been on a road trip? Yes, I once drove across the country with friends. Do you enjoy going to museums? Yes, I find art and history museums fascinating. What's your favorite way to relax after a long day? I like to unwind by taking a hot bath and reading a good book.
How's your day going? It's been pretty good so far. Where are you from? I'm originally from California. Can you recommend a good restaurant in this area? Sure, I'd suggest trying the Italian place downtown. What's your favorite movie? I really like The Shawshank Redemption. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I'm going hiking with some friends on Saturday. What do you do for a living? I'm a teacher at a local school. Have you ever been to a music festival? Yes, I went to a music festival last summer, and it was a blast. What's your favorite type of cuisine? I'm a fan of Mexican food, especially tacos. How's your family doing? They're all doing well, thanks for asking. How do you handle stress? I usually take a walk or meditate to relax. What's your favorite book? To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee is my favorite. How do you keep in touch with friends and family? I use social media and make video calls to stay connected. Are you coming to the party tonight? I can't make it, I have a prior engagement. What's your favorite type of music? I enjoy listening to classical music. How do you like to celebrate your birthday? I usually have a small gathering with friends and family. Are you a sports fan? Yes, I love watching soccer and basketball. How do you get to work or school? I usually take the bus, it's convenient and eco-friendly. What's your favorite season? I love autumn because of the beautiful fall colors. How do you like to spend your vacations? I prefer going to the beach and relaxing. What's your favorite hobby? I love playing the guitar in my free time.
What's your favorite childhood memory? I remember going to the zoo with my family. Have you ever tried skydiving? No, I've never been brave enough to try it. How do you like your coffee? I prefer it with a bit of cream and sugar. Are you a morning person or a night owl? I'm definitely a night owl, I work better in the evenings. What's the best piece of advice you've received? Follow your passion is the best advice I've ever gotten. Do you enjoy outdoor activities? Yes, I love hiking and camping in the great outdoors. How do you stay organized? I use a digital calendar and make to-do lists. Have you ever been in a long-distance relationship? Yes, I was in one when my partner lived in another country. What's your favorite type of flower? I adore sunflowers, they're so bright and cheerful. How's your new job treating you? It's challenging, but I'm learning a lot. Have you ever met a famous person? No, I've never had that opportunity. What's your favorite type of dessert? I can't resist a good chocolate cake. How do you handle conflicts or disagreements? I prefer to talk things out and find a compromise. Do you enjoy dancing? Yes, I enjoy dancing at parties and events. What's your favorite place to unwind? I like to relax at the beach, the sound of the waves is soothing. Are you a fan of winter sports? Yes, I love skiing and snowboarding. What's your favorite color? I've always been partial to blue. Have you ever traveled alone? Yes, I once went on a solo trip to Europe. How do you like to spend your evenings? I often watch TV shows or read before bed. What's your most memorable travel experience? Exploring the ancient ruins in Greece was unforgettable. Do you enjoy going to art galleries? Yes, I find art exhibitions very inspiring. What's your favorite type of pizza? I can't resist a classic margarita pizza. How do you like to keep fit? I go jogging in the park and do yoga. Have you ever had a near-death experience? Thankfully, no, I've been fortunate in that regard. What's your favorite type of food to cook? I enjoy preparing Asian cuisine, like stir-fries. Are you a fan of live music performances? Yes, I love going to concerts and live shows.
How do you manage your time effectively? I prioritize tasks and set deadlines for myself. Have you ever been on a road trip? Yes, I've gone on several cross-country road trips. What's your favorite type of fruit? I really like mangoes, they're sweet and juicy. How do you like to spend your Sunday afternoons? I often relax with a good book and a cup of tea. Are you into technology and gadgets? Yes, I'm a tech enthusiast, and I love trying out new devices. What's your favorite type of comedy? I enjoy witty and sarcastic humor. How do you cope with a bad day? I like to take a long bath and unwind. Have you ever volunteered for a charity? Yes, I've volunteered at a local food bank. What's your favorite way to explore a new city? I prefer walking around and discovering hidden gems. How do you like to spend your free time? I enjoy painting and creating art. Have you ever taken a cooking class? Yes, I learned how to make authentic Italian pasta. What's your favorite type of wildlife? I'm fascinated by dolphins and their intelligence. How do you handle criticism? I try to see it as an opportunity for growth. Have you ever been to a film festival? Yes, I attended a film festival in Cannes once. What's your favorite type of sandwich? I love a classic BLT sandwich. How do you like to celebrate your achievements? I usually go out for a nice dinner with friends. Have you ever learned a new language? Yes, I've studied French and Spanish. How do you stay motivated to reach your goals? I make a vision board and set clear objectives. Have you ever tried bungee jumping? No, I'm too scared to try extreme sports like that. What's your favorite type of board game? I enjoy playing Scrabble with friends. How do you like to explore nature? I go on long hikes and take photographs of the scenery. Have you ever written a book or a novel? No, I haven't attempted that yet. What's your favorite type of museum to visit? I enjoy art museums, especially those with impressionist paintings.